Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into channel functionality of Bitrix24 and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the Bitrix24 channel feature which will help you and your team stay connected, organized and productive. Channels are an essential tool for team collaboration whether you are managing projects, discussing specific topics or simply sharing information. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. So first, let's quickly define what is a channel is in Bitrix24. A channel is a dedicated space where team members can communicate, share files, and collaborate on tasks all in one place. It's much more than just a chat group. It's a powerful tool for the team collaboration and project management. Now let me show you how easy is to use create new channel. On the left side bar, you will see the messenger section. I'm clicking on the messaging section. Where I click on it, you will notice there is an option here of channel. I'm just clicking on the channel option. Here you can name the channel. Just we have to just add the channel. Here we have to give the channel name first. I'm giving random, that is channel 1. And if you have any description, they can you can add in the description. We can see in the second tab, that is privacy. If you want to take if you want to keep this channel as a private, then you can select the private. Means your channel will be visible to subscriber only, channel's owner, and can assign the permission to add new subscribers. And if you say public, then your channel will show in the list channel list. Anyone can subscribe and view channel post. Third one, there will be a subscribers. You can add the team members into this channel just like that. Also, you can set the access permissions. You can set the owner of the channel. You can set the administrator who can monitor this channel. Also, there are some permissions to their subscribers. If you add a subscribers in the channel, then there will be a subscribers permission to add subscribers. So just like that, you can add the permissions to kick subscribers. So if you add members, then you can arrange it accordingly. So once I have named the channel and add the subscription and add the permission, then I click on create channel, and just like that our channel is ready to go. Now see, our channel 1 is now created. Also, inside the channel, you can start adding team members. Here is a plus icon. You can add the team members accordingly. Here you can post messages, share updates, and communicate with your team. It's like having a virtual meeting room but without the interruption or the need to switch between different tools. So how we communicating in the channel? So let's say I want to send a quick message to my team to kick off the project. So I will type a message here. Let's get started. Something like that. And I have started the conversation. Please review the attached document. Please review the attached document. After sending, I have started the conversation. If your subscribers are added and they have seen, then you can directly see here number of views. Also, they can leave and comment to this particular message. Also, as you can see, all communication happens here. You can tag specific team members by typing their name after at the rate. At the rate, just like that, we can just put it across and then I can send the message to the particular subscriber here, ensuring that they got the notified about this message. Now we see the sharing files in the channel. Now let me show you how to share the files in the channel. I will click the attach file button here. Here is the attach file button. Now you can select any document or any photo or video you want to add. Then you can add any files. Then you can create any task to the particular channel. This task is visible to everyone in the channel and they can track progress, update statuses, and even comment on the task. So, the, now we will see how we do video calls in the channels. I will show you how to do the video calls. Now we see the notification updates of the channel. You will also receive real-time notifications for any updates in your channel, so you are always in the loop. So if you have created, you can see we have created the task and we have got the notification. So you are always in the loop. You can customize your notifications preferences to make sure you only get the alerts that matters to you. So here it is, the channel function. To recap, Bitrix24 channel bring together everything you need to efficient team collaboration. Now we see the one by one. We have reviewed organization communication with messages and notifications, task management with assignment and deadlines, file sharing for easy access to documents, and instant discussions in within the channel. I will encourage you to start creating your own channels in Bitrix24 and begin collaborating in more organized, efficient way. If you have any questions or need any get started, feel free to reach out to me after the demo. So, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.